In this video, I want to convert these icons into something like this, which is more beautiful. So let's do it. So in order to do so, first of all, I should click on this. As you can see, it says extensions. So I click on it. And after that, here in the search, I should simply search for vscode-icons. That's it. And there it is. Click on it. And as you can see, it is vscode icons from vscode icons team. And I click on this in order to install the plugin. And here, as you can see, I want to use VS Code icons. So I click on it. That's it. And let's close this tab as well. And also let's click on this in order to clear extensions search results. There we go. And click on this in order to go to Explorer. And now, as you can see, we have these icons. By the way, this was one of the videos of a step-by-step tutorial playlist of HTML. And you can find a link to that playlist in the description below. And also, we have other playlists for other topics, which you can find them on the channel page.